Hey guys, today we're making a super easy low or no carb ham and cheese omelet. I'm using 2 eggs, some smoked ham, which is carb free, a little bit of shredded cheese, and an insulated paper cup. Note, you cannot use foam or plastic. You want to crack the eggs down into the cup. Now you want to mix your eggs very well. This will ensure you get super light and fluffy eggs. Pop it into the microwave for 50 seconds. While that's in there, tear apart a slice of smoked ham, or you could use bacon or sausage or really whatever you want. Just watch the carb count. When it comes out of the microwave, the eggs will settle back down a little bit. Go ahead and put in whatever fixings you want. Microwave it again for 30 seconds. Give it a stir and it's ready to go. Now you can go crazy, make it a Western, put in some mushrooms, onions, green pepper, whatever you want. I like hot sauce, a little bit of salt and pepper in mine. And if you want another one, just reuse a cup, put in some more eggs, and do it again. 1's a great snack, 2's a great meal. See you next time.